Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Pharmaton. Get your energy and focus back. Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Pharmaton, a vitamin and mineral supplement that can give you that boost you need when you're feeling low on energy, tired, or having trouble concentrating. Pharmaton is ideal for those times when you're feeling a little drained, whether it's from a busy week at work or school, or even if you're recovering from an illness. It also has antioxidant properties, which help protect your cells. Wondering how it works? Pharmaton combines a number of vitamins and minerals your body needs to function at its best. It also includes natural extracts that give you an extra boost of physical and mental energy. To take Pharmaton safely, follow the instructions on the pack. Usually, you take 1 capsule a day, preferably in the morning with breakfast. But it's always important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, okay? Pharmaton is generally safe, but in some cases it can have side effects like headache, upset stomach, or trouble sleeping. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. And one important detail, pregnant women should not take Pharmaton without their doctor's approval. In short, Pharmaton can be a great way to regain your energy and focus. Just remember to take it as directed and talk to your doctor before you start. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. It's time wives. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.